Another makeup challenge. I haven't done one of these in years, and recently you guys have been requesting that I get back into challenges and stuff. So I've done a 5-minute makeup challenge, a 30-second makeup challenge, a 3-minute one, a no thumbs one, a blindfolded one. I've done a lot of different ones, and I kind of missed them too. So I was like, I haven't done a 1-minute makeup challenge, so I'm gonna like kind of complete that series years later and try to do my makeup in 1 minute. Okay, so 2 things to get started. There's always like some kind of something happening whenever I try to film. All of a sudden they randomly started working on that house that they've been working on for a couple months now, but they didn't work on it all day until now. Like it's like, thanks sirs. I already previously opened a lot of the things that I'm gonna be using so that I don't have to struggle with like lids and like and things go flying, because that's really me. See, look, here, everything's open, ready to go, my mirror. And then I have also this little table right here. Everything's good to go, I can just grab. The only thing I'm gonna do beforehand is just put the glue on my lashes, because it takes about a minute for them to get tacky. I'm already dropping them. Glue. Okay, now I can't drop these, because then that'll be a nightmare. Also, my washer's going. I literally didn't plan out this video that well. Okay, guys, so thumbs up if you guys like these makeup challenges. Trusty mirror. Things are already falling. I'm living my life. Oh my God, 3 things just fell. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna start the timer, and I'm gonna do 1 full scene, no cuts. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Starting with primer. Oh my God, I didn't time it myself. I have a timer on my editor here. But how will I know in real life when to stop? God, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. So I've already cheated with the primer. Like, so funny. 1 minute. Okay, so I guess there's primer on my face already. Like, also, I've already moisturized up, and I did a face mask before this, so my skin should be good to go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God, I clicked it and was like staring at it. Oh my God, everything's going flying already. So, there are a few things I want to talk about in a minute. First of all, there's some rumors going on around me right now that are just absolutely not true. And things that I've never talked about online. On social media. We literally are already 15 seconds in. That's all I can do for that. I'm gonna go ahead. But I'm just saying that they're not true. Don't believe everything you see on social media, right? I mean, anyways, I feel like I'm on like crack or something. I'm working so hard right now. Also, I might have to be aggressive. Aggressive is not needed here. Where is my powder? There it is. Okay. Also, NHL playoffs are, oh my God, this looks so bad already. Playoffs are on right now. Try to blend this in, and I'm very excited about it. Also, I met Deja Sky from RuPaul's Drag Race. I'm getting nothing else done right now. A little bit of bronzer, brush, stick on these lashes. We're like already done. Hold them on. That went way faster than I could ever imagine. What even happened? I was like trying to think and process and talk to you guys at the same time. Oh my God, my lash is actually sticking. Okay, what did we miss? Contour, lips, liner. I was gonna use this Jaclyn Hill palette. I missed eyebrows, mascara. Girl, so looking at the before and after here, I feel like honestly when people say lashes make it, lashes do make your look. And I love that I put on these lashes with my fingertips. I usually use a Q-tip, or sorry, tweezers. I like put them on in the right position too. I don't know why. I've never been able to do that before. I should just be in a rush and just stick them on next time. My prediction for the playoffs is the Flames are gonna win. That's not who I want to win. Obviously I want Pittsburgh or Toronto to win, but I just have a feeling for some reason that the Flames are gonna win. I've thought that for a while. Also, I met Deja Sky from RuPaul's Drag Race. She was very, very nice, chill, very sweet. This is what my makeup is just gonna be today. I'm just gonna try to like smooth it out with my beauty blender here. But you know what? I feel like I know I'm like fixing it now, but I didn't do that bad. I feel like I spend too much time on my makeup. I'm like trying to just like show to myself that, you know what? I can do something in a minute. And then what else did I say? Oh yeah, rumors. There's some like ridiculous rumors about me right now, and it's like not true at all. So just, you know, if it's not coming out of my mouth, or if I've never even talked about the thing before, please don't assume that, you know, something is going on in my life. Please, just please, out of respect. Especially these are like really like sensitive topics that are being like talked about me right now, and it's like, what? Like, playoffs are going on. That's pretty much all the updates in my life. And I feel like just fixing up this makeup a little bit. I felt like I was like on crack or something. I was like a little gloss here. Screw the shadow. Brow action. You know what? I think this is pretty good. We'll just set these brows in place. I had a good thing going. I feel like if it was 2 minutes, I haven't done a 2-minute one. If you guys want to see the 2-minute makeup challenge, let me know, because I feel like I could complete something in that 2 minutes, honestly. But if you guys don't want to see it, want me to see demons always come out of me. I don't know what's wrong with me. If you guys want that, let me know. If you want me to see me do another challenge or another kind of makeup challenge, let me know. Tiny little bit of mascara to complete this look. And that's just gonna be my makeup for today. So, it looks okay. So, that's everything. Just remember to be kind to others. Just because you see somebody on social media doesn't mean that you can just, you know, make up anything. Well, I guess people do. They do that. But don't just, if you see something said about somebody, and if it's never came out of their mouth or even like remotely like that, it could be very damaging to people. And just treat people with kindness, and just know that people are people. And if you comment something down below, it could ultimately affect like viewers watching, because people go through similar things. And if somebody's getting, you know, hated on for something online, they could see it and feel that within themselves too. So you just don't really know where your comment is going, and just be more mindful of that. Just treat people with respect. Thank you guys for the support. And if you haven't seen season 14 of RuPaul's Drag Race, I would strongly suggest watching it. It's one of the best seasons yet, in my opinion. 100%. Like, I was like blown away. The challenges are really good. The cast is so good. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye! First time, what?